So you've got through your weight loss or transformation, and now you've found that you've got a gaunt face or sunken cheeks. Well, I'm going to tell you what we can do to help. Hi, welcome back to the Time Clinic YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Bawa, and I'd like to talk about something that many patients bring up after losing weight, and that's sunken cheeks. Now, achieving weight loss is an incredible accomplishment and something to be really proud of, and some of you may have seen my journey as well. But one of the side effects can be a change in your face, particularly in the mid-face area where your cheeks may start to look hollow or gaunt here or here. So in this video, I'll explain why this happens, how it can affect your confidence, and the advanced treatments we can offer at Time Clinic to restore natural balance and a refreshed appearance. So why do cheeks sink after weight loss? Well, when we think about weight loss, we often focus on the body, the waistline, the hips, the stomach even. But fat isn't just stored in these areas. We also have small, specialized fat pads in our face. And you may have heard me talk about these many times before. Those fat pads provide youthful volume and structure, giving us these lovely round cheeks and supporting the skin from within. When you lose weight, these fat pads shrink, and that causes a loss of volume to the mid-face, and it makes our cheeks look flatter, our cheekbones to be less defined, and the lower face to look a little bit more hollow, along with the sagging skin, potentially. Along with the aging process where collagen, elastin, and bone structure also reduce over time, those noticeable changes may feel even more recognizable. Now, how does hollowness in the cheeks affect us emotionally? I often hear from patients who say, I've worked so hard to lose weight, but now I feel like my face looks tired or older. Friends, family, or colleagues say, oh, you look unwell. So I can really understand with this. And our appearance really does need to reflect how we look well inside. You might notice that you're smiling less or avoiding situations where you might be seen. It's really tough, and I've had some of these comments myself. But here's where I come in. My philosophy has always been about creating natural results. It's not about changing who you are. It's about helping you feel more confident in your own skin. There are various options to address hollowness, from fillers to other procedures that can restore that youthful volume without looking overdone. So why exercise and diet alone won't fix it? Now, I often get asked, can I rebuild my cheeks naturally by exercising my face or eating differently? Unfortunately, the answer is not really. While exercise and good nutrition are essential for your overall health, no amount of gym workouts or special diets can restore the lost fat pads in your face without losing the weight loss results that you've already achieved. This is where aesthetic medicine can help. With the right treatment, we can restore balance and we can volumize the mid-face without ever making you look overdone. How Time Clinic can help. Here at Time Clinic, we use a combination of treatments to restore volume and improve skin quality in a very subtle way. Some of the most effective options include the following. Firstly, dermal filler, expertly placed to replace lost volume in the cheeks, enhance definition, and provide a gentle lift to the lower face. My approach is to always use dermal filler conservatively so the results look fresh, soft, and natural, and never overdone. Harmonica, one of the newer treatments we offer. Harmonica combines hyaluronic acid with a collagen stimulator called calcium hydroxyapatite in a single injectable. So it not only restores immediate volume, but also stimulates your skin to rebuild its structure for a longer lasting, firmer result. So essentially, you're getting two for the price of one. Biostimulatory treatments, these work a little bit differently. Instead of adding volume, they stimulate your own collagen production. And this means your skin gradually rebuilds its structure and firmness over time. And this gives you a longer lasting and more natural outcome. The only caveat to that is it doesn't restore that volume. Skin quality treatment sometimes is not just about adding volume. Weight loss can reveal changes in skin texture, elasticity, or hydration. And in these cases, we may recommend skin boosters, advanced laser treatments, or collagen-inducing therapies to restore radiance and smoothness. Every face is unique, so we'll always take the time to listen to your concerns, assess your facial structure, and create a treatment plan that works for you. Here are some myths and facts to consider before choosing a treatment for cheek hollowness. If I stop fillers, my face will sag more. That's not true at all. Fillers naturally dissolve over time, and your face simply returns to its baseline, if not better, due to the subtle stimulation filler provides. It doesn't make things worse, it just means the benefits gradually wear off if you don't maintain the treatment. Fillers will make me look fake. When done correctly, fillers simply replace what's been lost. And at Time Clinic, our results are always subtle and natural, and people notice you will look fresher, not that you've had treatment. I should wait until it gets really bad. Subtle, early treatments often give the most natural and cost-effective results. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So if you've noticed sunken cheeks or changes in your facial structure after weight loss, you don't need to accept it as something you just have to live with. At Time Clinic, we pride ourselves on being leaders in natural, safe, and effective aesthetic treatments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and insights on treatments that can help you feel and look your very best. See you in the next video.